Hey guys, okay, so it's me. I'm doing the unboxing for this Kiss acrylic kit, and y'all, let me tell you, I was struggling from day one for this. From right here getting the box open at the bottom half. That's why you never see me open up the bottom half of the box, so I was struggling. And that should have been an indicator of what this session was going to be like. OMG, I was struggling. Okay, so you guys can see all the stuff that came in the box. Comes with a brush, la la la. I didn't use their brush, I used my own brush. And I haven't, listen, this isn't the first time that this kit has been reviewed. Some of the reviews that I've seen were good reviews. Cool. And I'm like, people want to get their nails done during quarantine. Let me test this product out. Y'all, I was struggling, okay? Let me say this slowly. Struggling. Yes. And it's like, I've played with acrylic before. I'm like, I felt fairly comfortable with it. And I was like, why? I felt like I was back in nail school. I don't know what it was. I don't know if maybe my ratio to the powder. I don't know. But okay, so let me just start by the powder. The pot looks big, but the powder in it is almost kind of like halfway. So I was nervous that I'm thinking this is a hand with 5 fingers, but if you're gonna do your nails at home, that's 10 fingers. I'm wondering how realistic it is. And for me personally, I have big nail beds, so I feel like I need more product than the average girl. So I'm like, okay, that's one. And then when you start to apply the acrylic, if you've never applied acrylic in your life, I feel like this is going to be a waste of money because it only comes with a little bit of product and a little bit of liquid. If you know what to do and you can make it stretch, okay, cool. But I don't know. And then it was just it was moving, but it wasn't moving in the same sense. I was getting really, really frustrated. And you don't want to have thin nails because thin nails are not really structurally sound. They might break, but it was almost like you kind of have to have thin nails to stretch out the product. I don't know. And then I was like, I feel like I messed up the thumb, but I didn't show you guys the thumb, and I had to go back, and that was all the liquid. So basically, I used up all the liquid for these 5 fingers. So yeah, and when I was not for the shits for this one. I just don't know what it was, and then it's like, I'm using my own personal acrylic brush. So imagine if you're using the brush that comes with the kit. It's going to be worse. This is going to be a whole lumpy, bumpy mess. And I ain't going to lie to you. Some of these nails, thank God for an e-file, because if not, it was going to be lumpier and bumpier than what it is. But if you don't have an e-file, you can just use a hand file. Get a really 80 grit file, a hand file, whatever, so you can really smooth out the lumps and bumps, because I definitely feel like you more than likely gonna get some lumps and bumps. I don't know, okay, listen, I'm just gonna say from my personal experience, for my skill set, and I feel like I'm decent, I was annoyed. I was. I'm not gonna lie. So if you're less, if you're just starting out, or you're like, yo, my nail shops are closed, but I have to have nails on, just don't waste your money. Just don't. Take that $20 and go get some gel polish or some regular nail polish and just do a manicure. You'll be better off that way. And then when it came down to filing was cool. Filing was nothing, but like I said, you probably gonna need a hand file. I feel like you're gonna need a e-file, but if you don't have an e-file, then really roughing it out with a hand file. And then this is the buffer. Is this the buffer that came in the kit? I believe the buffer came in a kit, and I feel like the buffer was cool. It's just a buffer. You can't go wrong with a buffer. Now, y'all, so outside of the kit pissing me off, I tried, the Kylie Jenner drip effect. Yeah, I tried that. And it was an instant fail, but I was like, I'm going to do this video and just have an instant fail type of video. But when I say, baby, this was just a flop all across the board. Y'all gonna see the madness that came out. I got inspired by some nails off of Instagram. Y'all gonna see the madness that actually came out at the end of this clip. It's gonna be here shortly, but I just did 2 coats of white, and I tried to follow the tutorial that I saw off of Instagram, but it did not come out right. And I was so annoyed. Now, mind you, this is taking me like, this is like 6 minutes, but it took me almost like 2 to 3 hours, right? Everything's starting off great. Now look at this. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Watch. Just watch. Everything going cool. Draw the lines. Look at that madness. Look at that madness. Like, I'm like, okay, this not really looking like a drip. Y'all, and it doesn't get no better from here. It actually goes downhill. Please. This is just trash. This is like 2nd grade. I was just like, what the fuck? Like, whatever. But I actually put it under the UV light. Like, yeah, whatever. I tried to do the little dot. I know. Are y'all going through this with me? Because I'm like, why me? Why? And I was really, look at this. Like, why Asia? You should have just did white nails. No, I decided I'm going to keep going. Don't give up. Keep pushing. You know, practice makes perfect, head ass. Okay. And this one was trash too. Like, when I say these nails when I said trash, I mean trash. And it's okay. Because I can, you know, it's my work. I can say that. We can all agree that this is trash. And I'm kind of salty because I really wanted it to be cute, and I really wanted to feel like, oh, you show me once, I can learn. But I really do feel like whether something ain't right, like whether I'm doing is not right, the tools I'm using ain't right, but this is ugly. But I hope you guys like the video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!